everyone! Welcome to my Magic Paintbrush channel! Today, we're going to color a beautiful rainbow butterfly. Let's begin! Now, let's color our butterfly's body. First, let's start with red. Now, we gently add orange. So warm, so happy, like autumn leaves. Here comes yellow, as bright as the golden sunshine. Then, a touch of green, fresh and calming. Ooh, now let's add blue, cool, peaceful. And finally, a stroke of purple. Now, let's color our butterfly's face and forewings. Soft black, making our colors shine even more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.